Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, sport appearance package, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, heated second row seating, Ram box cargo management system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D7167A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.